Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Redmi Note 15. Okay, so the process is really easy. First, let's open up the settings. Now scroll down, tap on Google, and we need to make sure that we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because if you'll be signed into wrong account, you won't have possibility to restore your chats. So make sure that you're logged into proper account. Okay, now we can launch our WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. We need to select our language and then click on Agree and Continue. We can click on Allow to send us notifications. Now select your phone number, click on Continue, click on Next. Okay, then click on Continue. In my case, it says that it's already verified, but in your case, you might have to verify it on your own, but don't worry, it's also really easy. You will have two options. You'll be able to use the missed call function or the code from the SMS message. Simply select the mode that you want to use. In my personal opinion, the missed call is simply better than the code, but everything is up to you. Then click on Continue. Now click on Continue once again. Click on Allow. Okay, and now select Restore from Backup. Click on Continue. Okay, and now our chats are being restored. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. As you can see, it's only 10. But now we can see that everything has been successfully restored. Click on Next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you're interested. Click on Next once again. Okay, and now as you take a look, everything has been successfully restored. Normal messages, photos, and also videos. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.